Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to build a full Power Apps using AI in just a few minutes. This is Power Apps Vibe by Microsoft. It allows you to create complete apps just by describing your idea. Let's build an employee leave management system. First, go to vibe.powerapps.com and sign in with your Microsoft account. Alright, as you can see on the screen, we're now inside the Power Apps dashboard. Now from here, choose the Start with a Plan option. Now go ahead and select New Vibe Experience. Now let's build our first app. Just type what you want. So I'll just copy the prompt for creating an employee leave management app, which I already have in my notepad. I'll paste the prompt here, and then press Enter to let AI build the app. Now the AI agents start working, generating your plan, database, and full application automatically. This might take a few minutes. So here you can see everything is built in one place: your plan, your data model, and your app. The app has been created with sections like Dashboard, Apply Leave, History, and Approvals. Let's quickly try applying for leave from here. Here you need to enter the required details such as the type of leave dates, and reason. After filling in all the details, I'll click on Submit to send the leave request. And as you can see, the leave request has been submitted successfully. You can also see a pop-up confirming the submission. On the left, you have navigation like Home, Plans, and Apps. Let's discuss one by one. Plans. This is where the AI-generated blueprint of your app is created. It shows you the overall structure, including what features your app will have, data model, technology which agent is used, how different parts are connected, and the logic behind it. Next is Data. This is where all the data behind your app is managed. The AI automatically creates tables, fields, and relationships based on your app requirements. And finally, we have the App section. Here you can see the complete app interface. If I enable this toggle inline edit, it allows me to edit elements directly within the app interface. For example, I can edit the app title and change it from Leave Flow to Leave Management App. And finally, when I click on the Save button, the changes are reflected. Here you can see that behind the scenes, Vibe uses modern technologies like React for the UI and TypeScript for scalable, type-safe code, and all of this code can be easily edited and customized. Here, if I give another prompt, it will update the UI. For example, I can say, change the app theme to dark mode with a blue primary color and modern styling. It takes a few moments to update the UI. As you can see, the UI has been successfully updated to a dark theme with a modern design. Let's make it even better. I'll add a toggle so users can switch between light and dark mode. As you can see, an icon has appeared in the UI, allowing me to easily switch between light and dark modes. And finally, once everything is set up, you can publish the app and start using it. And that's Power Apps Vibe, making it incredibly easy to build full applications in just a few minutes with the help of AI. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Power Apps tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.